Hello guys, welcome to my kingdom. So 411 subscribers are already a part of my kingdom. To subscribe my channel, you have to click on subscribe and click on this bell icon also so that you will get a notification when I upload a new video like this here. Okay. So let's check today NP Lab Network Programming Lab 2. So you already know the username and password is cloud. All letters are small. So let's start our lab. So let me show you the questions what we have. So this is some instructions are given, and then you have given the instructions that how to run a C program and compile it and run. Okay, so we have given this questions code already, so we have to run them. Okay, then these instructions are given again, then we have to take these observations, we have to write. So we have 3 times we have to run, and then we have to take the screenshot, and what we have to tell them these theories, and we have to observe the changes why they change. We have to give them the proper reason, and we have to explain this also. I will give you this in docx file in Telegram, you can check there. And this is the part 2 where we have the code again which we have to run, and this is some instruction how to run, and we have to give this observations. So we have to run the program and you have to show username, and this shows that okay, this is also theory which you will get in docx file, and then we have to remove one sleep statement and record the output, and we have to remove both the sleep statements and get the output, and we have to share our observations. That's it guys, very easy lab is there, so let's do it. So here is our lab, and we have to first change our username from cloud to something else. So you have to select on this title, select custom, and you have to give some name. I mean your bits ID. I am giving some fake name. Okay. So you have to give your bits ID, close it. It will automatically reflect here. So let's start with file folder we have to create, go on cloud. I will be creating on documents, so create a folder and name it as np lab 2, create it. Okay, let's go inside it and open the terminal here. So now we are in np lab 2 terminal, and your bits id should be visible here, so I kept it here. So let's start what the question says. So first we have to copy this commands and we have to run it 3 times. Okay, I know the question and answers, so I will do it directly. So let's start via editor, and program name we have to give here, it is PID example C. Okay, C means it's C file, so it is PID underscore example dot C. So let's enter. Now we are in VI editor. Okay, now we have to press I to enter into insert mode. Now we can write anything. So let's paste it, and we have to say yes, paste it. Then we will press ESC colon WQ. It will save and quit. Okay, so let's press enter. Now we are out of VI editor, and it is saved also. So now we have to do GCC, I mean compile. So command is already given here, copy and paste it here. So let's press enter. It is compiled successfully, congratulations. Now we will do run dot slash file name. Okay, so let's paste it directly. They are very good bit people, they have given all commands. Press enter. See, we got some output. So it says that this is the number is there, these numbers are there, PID. Okay, parent child, and here it is. So they have said in question we have to run it 3 times. So let's press enter, and I will press above key and it will show you above command. Okay, see, whatever we did above command they will show. So I'm pressing above key to show the last command used, and I will press enter. Now it's giving us different numbers. See, numbers have been changed. That's the observation we have to make in theory. Okay, so let's press 1 to enter, and we will do again, run the same command. So see, all numbers are different. All numbers are different. These all numbers are different. So that's it. We have to take this screenshot and let's start pasting it our run this. So see, the question says we have to do this and we already did. So let's paste it and let them show also our code. Okay, code vi editor code. Okay, so let's go open our vi editor and paste this screenshot also. It will be better if we paste. Okay, nothing matters because we already did it. So let's go to style 1. Let's do, there is no style 1 and style 2 in this np lab. Okay, I'm giving you this same file in Telegram. Okay, so you have to change this color to black. Now we have to explain that this question theory I have given you already. You can write same or rewrite it using ChatGPT, and we have all this theory. Now directly part 2 started. Okay, part 1 is completed. Let's see what is in part 2. We have to run the command again. Let's see the questions. Here is np lab 2 part 2. Okay, so we have these questions, I mean codes. Let's run this, copy, and let's go out esc colon wq enter. Okay, so let me clear all this. I'm writing clear enter. Okay, now we will create second program name is pipe underscore example.c. So let me do it, vi pipe underscore example.c, enter. Now we are in vi editor. Okay, I have to press I, then we will enter into insert mode. Now we can paste our code. Yes, okay, paste it, and we will save esc colon wq. See, wq is there, and I have to press enter, and we have to do gcc. So I will press above key, above key, above key, above key. Yeah, this is the one, but we have to change the name. So I will make it pipe underscore example.c. Okay, and again we have to change this to pipe, pipe. Remove this, done. You can directly copy from question also. This is already given. See, pipe, and this is gcc pipe. Okay, so let me copy this. I will be near array. Sorry, I know this won't compile, so let me do it, show you. See, this is the compile error you got. I know it is showing something this. So to avoid that, you have to make some changes. What changes you have to make? Let me tell you in vi editor. Okay, here we came. Now I have to press I to enter into insert mode. We have to make a change. So come here. I am already there in insert mode. Let's go this line and delete this star, and then give here square brackets, and inside square bracket give this m, capital MSGSIGE sorry, MSGSIGE. See this one, so that the message size will be this. Okay, now we have to save it, esc colon wq small wq, enter. Okay, now it will compile. See, gcc pipe example.c -o pipe example. Okay, now it's compiled. So congratulations. Let's run this file. So I think I have already copied that. Yeah, see, /filename.c. Okay. Now press enter. Now let's remove .c. We should not give .c, guys. So let's run now. Yeah, see, the output started coming. How are you? I am fine. How are you? I am fine. You. So let's count. It should work till 10. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this 10. Okay. So let's take this output screenshot. So always take full screenshot, full screen. So let's start pasting here. This we done is both sleep are active. Okay. Let me do it here. So we already took the output here. Now let's show the code also. Okay. For code we have to do vi editor. Yes, this one. So let's take this screenshot. Okay. Both sleep should be visible. This sleep and this sleep are active. Now take the screenshot. And single screenshot will work, guys, because why to show all the codes? They have already given us the codes now. Why should we show them again and again? Their code only. So where is my style one? Yeah, this is the code. Both are active, and here is the output. So this is the theory. You will get it from the document. Now let me show you this after removing sleep one. Okay, code and output. So go there. What we have to do, we have to press I to go into insert mode, and then come to this sleep and give a comment it /. Okay, now sleep will become blue color. So all the codes will run, but this line will not run. Okay, it is comment out. So let's press ESC WQ enter to save and exit. Now we are out of this vi editor. Now we will do gcc, yes, this command. Now press enter. So it is compiled again. Congratulations. Now we will run this. Remove this C and press enter. Hey, why it is vi? We have to do /pipe example. Okay, then press enter. So see what we got. So the output is again here. Since we removed that sleep one, now it came directly, and it's working 2 seconds. So it will be also 10. We can count it. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's take the screenshot, guys. And for code again, we didn't took the screenshot. Let's do that also. So here is the output, and for code let's go vi editor .c. we have to write here vi editor pipe example.c. Okay, so we have to make sure that this comment is visible in our code. So let's take the screenshot of this code and paste it. This shows that we have made comment to this, and we got this output, and here is our observation. Okay, so now the question says that remove both the sleep statements and record the output. Okay, and screenshot and observation. So let's do that also quickly. Go above, press I to get into insert mode. Go above, and we have sleep 2. Comment it out using /. Now press ESC WQ enter. Now we have to compile it. So gcc pipe example.c. Okay, it's good. Now it's compiled. Congratulations. Now we will do pipe example /file name. Okay, press enter. Now you got this output. Okay, it's completed. Take full screen screenshot and paste it. So here is it is output, so it will go there. And for the code, we have to do again that vi editor. I forgot to take screenshot. Vi filename.c. Okay, so go below. Now both are comment out, which should be visible. So I'm taking this screenshot and full screenshot. I will take and paste it. Okay, done. Observation is you will get this file and you can write the same, or you can change it, rewrite it using ChatGPT. So files created and lab uses, we can give them additionally to get full 5 marks. So let's go there where we have created our file. This is it is already available here. Okay, we are already there. So I am scrolling it to zoom it, and you can make it zoom so that they can view it easily. Okay, so let's take this screenshot and paste it. So this is question file, this is style. Here you can paste it. And for lab usage, you know that you have to go there and click this cancel. You have to take the screenshot and paste it. So that's it guys. Subscribe my channel for more lab videos, upcoming lab videos. So now we will be having mid-sem. Let me show you that my channel is already having a playlist to study guys. Okay, और अब की बार 500 पार कर दो guys. I need 400 subscribers soon. So here is Swim's Sem4 courses playlist, and it have all our 4 subjects line wise. These all are playlist. You have to go there and study. I will show you quickly that this is 8 hour straight data storage. It's showing everything. That's perfect. And for network security, you have to study from Neso Academy. And for Java, I have given you this Hindi one, Code with Harry, or you can go with Anuj Kumar Sharma. This Java playlist is very good. And for English Java introduction, this Telusco is also good. So 2-3 subjects are done: network security, data storage, and Java. And for network programming, you have this many. Okay, sockets and all multiple. So for network programming, there is some issue. I didn't got much good playlist, but these are good. I found you can use them, or I will update it later also if I get some good playlist in YouTube. Okay, so this is data storage, network security, Java, and this is also Java, and these are for network programming. This Linux for beginners is for you. If you don't know Linux commands, you can go through this Linux for beginners. That's it guys. Subscribe my channel guys. I need 500 subscribers. Okay, बोलो, say with me, अब की बार 500 पार हो जाएगा कि नहीं, कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ. ठीक है, ओके बाय.